I have heard that song before. Has she ever met your parents? They haven't never been to the zoo. We have just started our project. He has worked in this company for 5 years. Why have you gone to the store? They have just finished their project. I have never visited London. He hasn't completed the task yet. Has she completed the form yet? They have just arrived at the airport. I have read that book before. Why have you left early yesterday? He has never been to the beach. We have just finished eating dinner. Thanks for watching.